Annyeonghaseyo and hello. My name is Charlotte Walker, and firstly I just want to say thank you very much for taking the time to consider my application and for watching this video. So I'm just going to give you a bit of an overview about myself, a bit of a background, hopefully give you a bit of a better understanding about me and my personality. So I'm 22, I'm from England in the United Kingdom and currently live in Sheffield. I recently graduated from Sheffield Hallam University with a degree in events management. Just to give you a bit of an overview of my hobbies and my interests, I like dance, drama and sport. More recently I've been taking part in Zumba classes in the evenings, about 3 times a week. And I also have a bit of experience in teaching some Zumba classes, which hopefully I'll be able to bring with me across to South Korea. I have recently run the Great Bupa Yorkshire Run, which is a 10k run. That was really difficult but also really rewarding. Okay, so now to give you a bit of an overview about why I'd like to teach. This stems from my experience of teaching in China, which I did for around 6 weeks while I was studying. I helped improve language ability through writing and speech. Again, it was a really rewarding experience and is what's influenced me to pursue a career teaching overseas. So I suppose the next question from that is, why would I like to come to South Korea? And that really is from my experience of teaching in China and also my travelling experience. I've managed to see quite a lot of Asian countries, including the Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore and, as I said before, China. I've heard so much about South Korea and the rich culture, and also the education system in the public schools and the private schools, and I'd really love to come across and hopefully help improve the local community. So now I've given you a bit of an overview about me. What I'd like to do is just to give you a quick preview of what it would be like if I was to teach in your school. Okay. Hello class. Today what we're going to do to start the session is to go over what we covered in last week's lesson. Can anybody tell me what that was? That's right, it was sport. That's great. Okay, so the homework I set you for last session was to go away, find a picture of your favourite sport, write the name of the sport underneath it, and then from that we were going to cover what it was that we liked about the sport and also an interesting fact that we'd found out. We're going to share that with the rest of the class. So everybody has an idea of what that's going to look like. I'm going to give a quick presentation first. Okay. So my favourite sport is tennis, and the reason I like this sport is because it gives me the opportunity to play with some of my friends. One of the interesting facts I found out about tennis was that you can play it with up to 4 people and that it's played with a racket and a ball. Okay. So what I want to do now is for everybody to go around the class. We're going to present our favourite sport. We're going to tell everybody why we like it and also an interesting fact that we found out. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of what I would be like in a classroom if you were to give me the opportunity to teach in your school. And now I just want to say thank you very much for your time and for considering my application, and I hope to hear from you soon.